Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will review about Hyundai Creta car. Price: Hyundai now retails its compact SUV in the price range of 10.87 rupees lakh to 19.20 rupees lakh, ex-showroom Delhi. Variants: it can be had in 7 broad variants, E, EX, S, S+, SX Executive, SX and SX, O. The night edition is only available on the S Plus and S, O, trims. Colors: it is available in 6 monotone and 1 dual-tone color options, Polar White, Denim Blue, Phantom Black, Titan Gray, Typhoon Silver, Red Mulberry and Polar White with Phantom Black roof. Seating capacity: it's a 5-seater compact SUV. Engine and transmission: the compact SUV comes with 2 engine options, a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated petrol, 115 PS/144 Nm, and a 1.5-liter diesel, 116 PS/250 Nm. Both petrol and diesel engines are paired with a 6-speed manual transmission as standard. For automatic options, the petrol unit gets a CVT gearbox and the diesel one comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Features: it gets a semi-digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with connected car tech. It also gets a panoramic sunroof, wireless phone charging, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and ventilated front seats. Safety: in terms of passenger safety, it gets 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control ESC, vehicle stability management, VSM, hill start assist control HAC, all-wheel disc brakes and Isofix child seat anchors as standard. It also comes with a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, and a rear parking camera. Rivals: the Hyundai Creta rivals the Kia Seltos, Toyota Hyryder, Maruti Grand Vitara, Volkswagen Taygun, Skoda Kushaq and MG Aster. Its top variants also go up against the Tata Harrier and MG Hector. The Mahindra Scorpio Classic can also be considered a rugged alternative. 2024 Hyundai Creta: the facelift Hyundai Creta will not be launched this year. Specification of Hyundai Creta: city mileage 18.0 km per liter. Fuel type petrol and diesel. Engine displacement 1,493 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Max power 113.45 bhp at 4000 rpm. Max torque 250 Nm at 1500-2750 rpm. Seating capacity 5. Transmission type automatic. Fuel tank capacity 50 liters. Body type SUV. Service cost, average of 5 years, Rs.6054. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.